This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Bush Blvd. Location. This rare investment opportunity to acquire a prime full-service auto repair shop with a strong sales history located in a very high-traffic area with 6 lanes of traffic right on popular Bush Boulevard. Block construction building with 4 bays to work on vehicles, including an office with a waiting area, located on almost half an acre of land. Situated on a heavy traffic street with ADT, average daily traffic, of 46,500, this is a turnkey operation with a full crew. You will hit the ground running from day one. Desirable demographics include over 293,500 residents who spend over $750 million annually on transportation and maintenance. The future of the auto care industry is here. The U.S. auto care industry booms at $383 billion annually and is expected to grow at a compounded annual growth rate, CAGR, of 3.4% per year and reach $477.6 billion in 2024. There are an estimated 288.3 million vehicles on the road today, with the average age of these vehicles being 12.1 years old. Thinking of other ways to utilize this exceptional location? Just contact the Hillsborough County Zoning Office to request details for rezoning for other business opportunities. The possibilities are endless. For a virtual tour, please visit https://my.matterport.com/show/?m=8obs5xx25t. For more information, review the details below or contact Bush Blvd at 727-415-9062.